Welcome to In 5 Minutes. Students, we'll see third example. We need to find Laplace of error function. Now what is error function exactly? Error function is nothing but said to be ERF of t, that is error function of t, which has a definition where a function is defined by 2 by root pi 0 to t e raised to minus x square and dx. So this is nothing but a error function. What we need to do, we need to find error function Laplace, ERF of root t. So as we wrote here ERF of t, then the limits are 0 to t. Suppose if it is ERF of root t, the change will be only of limit, that is 2 upon root pi 0 to root t e raised to minus x square dx. That's it. Now we can't find directly, so we'll be using this function, as well as we will be using expansion for e raised to minus x square. So I say Laplace of 2 upon root pi 0 to root t e raised to minus x square dx. That comes Laplace of 2 upon root pi. We have integration 0 to root t. E raised to minus x square series can be expanded as 1 minus x square plus x raised to 4 upon 2 factorial minus x raised to 6 upon 3 factorial plus dot dot dot, which is need to integrate with dx. So I can say Laplace of 2 upon root pi. So we can integrate this easily. So where I get integration 1 is x minus x cubed by 3 plus x raised to 5 divided by 5 into 2 minus x raised to 7 divided by 7 into 3 factorial. You can write here 2 factorial also, plus dot dot dot, where your lower limit is 0, upper limit is t. So by substituting limits, I get 2 upon root pi t raised to 1 by 2 minus t raised to 3 by 2 divided by 3 plus t raised to 5 by 2 divided by 5 into 2 factorial minus t raised to 7 by 2 divided by 7 into 3 factorial. So now we need to find Laplace of this. So that comes, again I can write as 2 upon root pi Laplace of t raised to half, that comes gamma of 3 by 2 divided by s raised to 3 by 2 minus 1 upon 3 gamma of 5 by 2 divided by s raised to 5 by 2 plus gamma of 7 by 2 divided by 5 into 2 factorial into s raised to 7 by 2 minus, so I get that is equal to 2 upon root pi, this comes 1 by 2 root pi divided by s raised to 3 by 2 minus 1 by 3 3 by 2 1 by 2 root pi divided by s raised to 5 by 2 plus 5 by 2 3 by 2 1 by 2 root pi divided by 5 into 2 factorial s raised to 7 by 2. So again, to make it in a standard series, we need to take something common. So root pi gets cancelled with each term. So I can say root pi cancels with all root pi's, and finally I'm taking 1 upon s raised to 3 by 2 common, and 2 also gets cancelled with every term. I can say 2 gets cancelled here, 2 gets cancelled, 1 here and 1 here. So 1 upon s raised to 3 by 2, then 1 minus 1 upon 2 1 upon s plus 1 upon 2 3 by 4 and 1 upon s square. See, you need to check, I'm just manipulating this, I'm just writing the terms which are remaining. I have took 1 upon s raised to 3 by 2 common. Next is minus 1 upon 2 3 by 4 5 by 6 into 1 upon s cube plus dot dot dot. So finally I get a series of 1 upon s raised to 3 by 2 into 1 plus 1 by s whole raised to minus half. You need to remember this series. The whole series is nothing but the series is of 1 plus 1 by s raised to minus half, which I get as 1 upon s raised to 3 by 2, and when s multiplies here, s plus 1 divided by s, which is nothing but I can write as just a reciprocal root s divided by root of s plus 1, which is nothing but 1 divided by s into under root of s plus 1, which is nothing but Laplace of ERF of root t. Students, I make one more standard formula here. Laplace of ERF of root t is nothing but 1 upon s under root of s plus 1. So let's put this formula in our standard formula list. Laplace of ERF of root t is 1 upon s under root of s plus 1. Thank you for watching in 5 minutes.